Adding channels to your Smart IPTV can seem tricky, but it opens a world of entertainment. Let's begin by accessing the Smart IPTV app menu on your television, which makes navigation simple. Find and select the My List option. This feature allows you to organize channels easily. Next, head to the Settings gear icon, usually found at the top of the menu for quick access. Within the settings, spot Add Channels. This is where we'll enhance your channel lineup. Once there, input your IPTV provider's channel list URL. This is crucial for channel updates. If you don't have an URL, visit 2tv.store. They offer a fantastic channel selection and service. After adding the URL, confirm by pressing OK or Apply. This saves your new channel list changes. Return to the main IPTV menu to see the newly added channels. This significantly expands viewing options. Sorting your channels is key for convenience. Select the sort option from your menu to rearrange. For seamless streaming, ensure your device is connected to a strong internet connection when updating. 2tv.store offers exclusive promotional offers on their IPTV services, perfect for your setup needs now. Try experimenting with content filters to customize channel visibility based on specific viewing preferences. You can log in anytime to update or modify your selections from your IPTV account settings. Once comfortable, you'll find channel management a breeze and enjoy a premier TV experience effortlessly. Stay tuned for more IPTV insights. And remember, your viewing journey starts with just a simple step.